Okay, now this one looks a little bit different. Looks the same as the last one, but a little hook to it. Martha, Chad, Thomas. Well, I got two Marthas in here. Okay, put Bob. Okay, we want different. Okay, Martha, Chad, Thomas, and Bob are in a race. How many orders of first and second are possible? And I don't care about third and fourth. Okay. Yesterday I cared about everybody. Okay. Now there's always those end places I don't care about. So let's say Martha wins, okay? Well, Chad could get second, Thomas could get second, Bob could get second. All right? Let's say Chad wins, Martha second, Thomas, and Bob. I don't need the other two because I don't care about the third and fourth. It's just asking you for first and second. Thomas could win, okay? So Martha, Chad, or no. Thomas wins, Thomas, Chad, Thomas, Bob. And last, our boy Bob could win. Bob, Thomas, Bob, Martha, Bob, Chad. And that's pretty much it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 orders. Okay, now we got to obviously come up with a better way to do that because it's going to take forever if we get in these races where there's like 20 people, okay? And there is a better way to do it. Now I'm going to show you guys right here how to do it. 10 competitors in the high jump. How many first, second, third? When you see those words, you want to underline them. Okay, that's very important. So you don't care who got 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Just first, second, third. So when you don't care about the order all of them finished in, here's what you're going to do. And I want you doing this because it's going to be confusing if you don't eventually. Put a big question mark. Put how many you have in this right here, kind of to the lower left, and how many places you want in the lower right. Now, between them, put how many you don't care about. You simply subtract 10 minus 3, that's 7. Now, here's the key. We need to talk about this 3 here. Do you see the words first, second, third? You do, obviously you do. When you see those words, you want to circle that and write protect, okay? When you have to protect, when you have to place those people, you're going to put a big P above your question mark. And that P does not stand for protect. The P stands for what's known as a permutation. Okay? Now here's how you evaluate a permutation. You write 10 exclamation point, but I know I have to do something else because that just finds all the orders of 1st through 10th. I just want 1st, 2nd, 3rd. You divide by these losers that you don't want to rank, okay, with the factorial sign. Now you're like, well, how do I divide that? Calculator? No. You're going to number your 10 down to 7. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Stop, put the factorial sign, because you're dividing by 7 factorial, and these cancel. Okay? So it is simply taking 10 times 9 times 8, and that's 720 orders. And you put... Now, label that. Don't just put orders. Put first through third. Okay. Okay, and our next one, 5 people in a race. How many first and second place finishes are possible? So question mark. This becomes automatic after a while. You got 5. You want first and second. You don't care about 3. Okay. Now, circle this 2 because I see first and second, so we protect those. By the way, what protect means is don't put it in this, okay? I did not put that 3 in there. That means don't put it in this. Eventually, we're going to get the problems where you do put the 2 in there and the 3 in there, but not these, okay? And that's going to help you not get confused between these and the others, okay? Okay, so what I do is I need to divide the 5 factorial by the 3 factorial, and I simply go 5 times 4 times 3. Stop, because these 3 are losers, okay? 3rd, 4th, 5th, I don't want them there. I don't want to rank them. I don't want to deal with them. So it's 5 times 4, which is 20 orders. And I want that labeled first, second. Okay. Then the last one, there's 15 people running for the class president. How many first through third place finishes are possible? Okay. So again, we don't need all 15 places. I want third, okay? And by the way, up here I should have underlined first and second. Here, first and third. So 3, 12. Again, these 3, I see those words, so I want those ranked. That means protect. That means do not put it in here, okay? So that's a P. Again, put the P right here, okay? That's permutation. Protect P, if that helps you remember. So 15 divided by 12, both factorials. You don't just take 15 divided by 12. They need the factorial symbols because that means you stop the multiplication at 12 and divide by 12 factorial. Because 15 people can get first place. Then when the guy finishes in first place, you have 14 for second, 13 for third. You don't care who got fourth. Those are irrelevant. 15 times 14 times 13, and that's 2,730 orders. That's first through third. Okay, that's all I would say on that.